the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. Modelones was kind enough to send me over a box of some of their products. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox everything for you guys, show you what they sent me, and then we are going to get into a quick nail design. Alright, so we have a few boxes here, and this first box here seems to be a duet, and it seems to be their base coat as well as their top coat. So once you open the box, there is an information pamphlet in there giving you instructions on how to use the products. And then this is their top coat with a beautiful gold cap, and then this is the base coat with a silver cap. I have used Modelones products before. I absolutely love their products, so I'm very grateful that they have sent me over this little package here. All right, we have a mini UV LED lamp, and there is a little USB cord there, typical for mini UV lamps. And you can use UV lamps for flash curing or doing curing your nail design. So there is also an information pamphlet user manual inside here, and here is how the mini UV lamp, typical pink lamp, 6 LED bulbs underneath there. Very nice. So Modelones also does nail decorations, which I didn't know. So I'm very grateful that they've sent me over a little sneak peek of some of their nail decorations on their website. So here we seem to have like flakes, but they're not foil flakes. They're like, they're not abalone shells, I don't think, but they are flake-like, So they're a little bit, they're not thin, but they're not thick. It reminds me of wood pulp a little bit. These would be great for encapsulation, maybe some acrylic encapsulation, or maybe some polygel encapsulation as well. So I'll have to come up with something creative to use these. I've never seen some products like this before. This one's really unique, so I have to be a little bit creative with that one. And we have a good variety of colors there as well. So here's the star of the show. These are the color cube. And I was so excited. These were falling out of my hands. And they've sent me over 2 of them. Screaming. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. Look at that holographic packaging. We got some instructions on the back of the box, as well as, I believe, a ingredient list as well. So once you open the box, inside is their little palette of solid gels, solid pudding gels, solid cream gels, solid gels. And they also come with a pamphlet as well as a mini brush. So here's how the pamphlet is looking, giving you a step-by-step on how to prepare the nail, how to apply the product, etc., etc. So really nice to have, because there's definitely a learning curve with solid cream gels. All right, and here is how the inside look at that. So cute. It reminds me of makeup. And I like this because you can travel with this. You don't have to worry about anything spilling. So here is this first one here. And here are all of the colors, like nude colors. This is their coffee collection. How stunning are these colors? Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful colors. You might have seen me in the reflection there. Don't be looking at me. So this is their best ever coffee time solid cream gel polish set. So here is how the cute little brush looks like. Absolutely beautiful brush. Good quality brush. Brown bristles. You guys know that I love brown bristles over the orange bristles. Just seem to work a little bit better for me. All right, so that is our first collection of the solid creams from Modelones, and here is the second collection, and this one is the Jelly Bean, Crazy Jelly Bean collection. So this one has more big and vibrant colors in this one. So that's why I got these 2. One was a little bit nude, then one was like bursting with color. And again, you can see that it also comes with a mini brush. It also comes with a pamphlet, and then here is it, Craziest Jelly Bean. Look at all those beautiful colors to perfectly complement the nude colors. So it has a little seal on there. Slide that off and it reveals the gorgeous colors. I am absolutely excited to test these out for you guys. So that's those 2 there. All right, so I applied my nails off camera. I'm using some extra long coffins, but I want to cut these just a little bit shorter so that I have some square nails. And here is how the nails are looking. I'm going to take my file and just kind of file around that free edge as well as the side walls just to make sure I have them a little bit even before we start to apply our gel polish. I'm going to first start off by applying some base gel to the entire nail. I've already filed and buffed the surface shine off of these nails, so make sure you do that before you apply your base gel. And I'm going to go in with a thin layer of Modelones base gel all over the nails, then give it a cure. Now we are ready to apply our solid creams. So to kind of get this brush a little bit wet, I'm going to just kind of mix it in with a little bit of the base gel, because I find when I use the brush dry, a lot of the product gets, I don't know, stuck in it. And I'm trying to avoid having a lot of streaks when I apply the gel polish. So it's a learning curve for me. So I'm going to go in with this nudish kind of brown color, and I'm going to apply that all over the nail. And as you can see, you can get straight up to the cuticle area, and you don't have to worry about the product flooding the cuticle because it's not so runny as the typical gel polish. That's why I really love solid creams. So you can do ombre with these, and you don't have to worry about too much product onto the nail, and you can thin it out as well. If you have too much of the product onto the nail, you can also go in with the brush and kind of thin it down. So as you can see, that's going on really smoothly, really nicely. Absolutely stunning product.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk?
So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of the pink, because I wanted to show you that if you don't particularly like a certain shade, you can actually mix it with another color and then create your own custom color. So I want this to be a little bit more on the pink nude side. So I'm just combining the pink on top of the brown, and that's going to give you a nice softer nudish, pinkish, brownish color. So I'm satisfied with how that color turned out. Now I want to do a little bit of abstract nail art, as you would have seen from the thumbnail. So now I'm just going to dip into this gorgeous shimmery brown color here, and we're just going to do like a little side French or half side French abstract swirls onto this nail design. And I will go into different colors to add them onto this nail design as well. So I'll let you watch me do this abstract nail design, and then I'll come right back. So after I've cured that for 45 to 60 seconds, I do have these stickers here that I want to apply and make this more abstract. I could have actually drawn this with a line art brush, but I had these stickers here. So sometimes it's okay to use stickers. You don't have to always draw everything. So I've picked out a few stickers, and I want to tie in a little bit of the gold onto this nail design as well. So I'm just going in with a little bit of the gold, and we're just going to outline where we put that kind of creamy, vanilla looking cream pudding gel polish onto the nail corner there. Right, that's shaping up pretty nicely. Now I'm just gonna go in with some gold flakes. I'm a little bit obsessed with gold flakes at the moment, so you might be seeing gold flakes show up in a lot of my upcoming nail designs. So I'm taking some gold flakes while that nail is still a bit tacky, and I'm just going to apply them onto different areas of the nail, leaving space for me to put my sticker, my abstract sticker, in the center of this nail. Now that I'm done applying my stickers and my foils and I think my design is fully completed, I'm now ready to go in with a layer of top coat over this entire nail, and then we're going to give it its final cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So here is a final look of the thumbnail. Now that you have an idea of how I did the abstract nail design, now we can go ahead and do the other nails exactly the same thing. Starting off by applying a layer of base gel onto all of the nails and then curing them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And after curing, we are now going to go in with some color onto the nails, starting off with that brown nude solid cream color, followed by the pink solid cream color, and then we'll add in the other colors for the abstract nail design. Now we're going to do a side French, and we're going to dip into that gorgeous brown glittery solid cream, and we're just going to add that to the side corners of our nails.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. 'Cause honestly, let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight.
Now we're gonna dip into that kind of cream vanilla coffee creamer. I'm making up names for these colors. It would have been actually been really cool to have names for them. I'm going to dip into that vanilla coffee creamer, and we're just going to add that like a wavy abstract area onto the other corner of the nail. Now it's time to apply some stickers, some abstract stickers. So I'm just going to take a few different ones and just apply them randomly on to the nail. No particular order. Whatever you feel is calling out to you, definitely you can use that. And once we have the stickers on, and whilst we do have a tacky layer, we're going to go ahead and dip into our gold foil pieces very carefully and add them on to the sticky tacky layer of the nail design. Now that we are done applying our stickers as well as our foil flakes, we can now go in with our top coat over all of the nails, and then we can give it a final cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of cuticle oil onto all of my nails, and here is the final look of this nail set. I hope you guys really enjoyed this fun and simple nail tutorial. Guys, definitely check out the Modelones solid creams. You will not regret. They are perfect products. Thank you again to Modelones for sending this over for me to review. I'll see you guys in the next one.